In this video we will take a quick look at how and in which way acoustic panels can improve your room by using these SKS Acoustics Earth panels. Hi, I'm Marlon. By using sound panels you will acoustically treat your room. These panels can either be based on expansive foam or mineral wool like these SKS Acoustics panels. Acoustically treating your room is essential to get a better, more reliable space to do your mixing in, and also to get better recordings by removing reverb or echo in a controlled way. Now, these SKS Acoustics Earth panels can be easily installed and hanged on your wall with a mount, just like a painting, but are also self-supporting if you can't drill a hole in your wall. I have 8 of these SKS Acoustics panels in my room as a first step of my acoustic treatment. To hear what these 8 panels can do, the next clips will let you hear how it sounds before and after installing the panels. Pay attention especially to the reverb. This is how the room sounds without the panels. And this is with all 8 panels installed. You clearly hear a difference in the reverb. It's already a lot shorter after installing the 8 panels. I also did some measurements. You can see that the entire reverb time is shorter of the entire frequency spectrum, which means it's an even reduction of reverb and not skewed in one way or the other, so more reliable. Now I need to do more because of the size of my room, but this is a good start. If you want to install acoustic panels for the very first time to do acoustic treatment, then the best place to start with acoustic treatment is to use sound panels at the so-called first reflection spots. These are where the sound of your speakers bounce off a surface back to you and interferes with your direct sound of the speakers, which will cause all sorts of sound issues. The so-called mirror trick can help you to spot the first reflection point. You do this by moving a mirror or tablet or your phone with the front camera on flush alongside your wall. And where you can see the speaker while you sit at your listening position, it will be the first reflection point. Add acoustic absorption there. This goes for all surfaces, so walls, ceiling, although the floor is usually not practical and left out. One rule with acoustic treatment is that if you want the sound panels to work at a broader, deeper frequency range, you need deeper absorption panels. The deeper the frequency panel is, the deeper it will absorb, regardless if you use proper foam or mineral wool. These SKS Acoustics panels are 10 cm deep, which means they will work better in the lower frequencies. That is one of the reasons I ordered them for this room. The other reason is that they look great with their special wooden front panels. You can find more about these sound panels on the SKS Acoustics website, the link is in the description below. I also did an interview with Rick of SKS Acoustics, the link for that video is displayed on screen right now. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.